With everybody, we're back here in Pokemon Silver. They're going to be taking on the final gym, and I did a little bit of training. I did quite a bit of training with Mr. Krabs. That. And it's time to take on Claire. What a fight this is gonna be. I'm going to save, in case I screw up. You can tell if you saw the last time I saved it was at like 16 hours, and now it's like at 17 hours, 39 minutes. Because I was trading. Alrighty. Let's go. World's best Dragon. I can hold my own even against the Elite. I'm on the Elite Four. You still want to take me out? Fine, let's do it. In turn, I'll use my full power against any opponent. Let's go, Claire. She has a team of 4. And 3 of them are Dragonair. Hit it with Ice-type moves. They're weak. That was a critical off. That's not good at all. I'm worried. I'm not even doing it. I'm doing barely anything. I think now I just gotta get rid of paralyzation. I hope I can just barely survive this is what I'm looking. Oh, what? Damn it! Dang it! I'm not surviving. Shit. Stop not getting me now. Oh, you. I hate you. Claire loves to paralyze you. She'll just sit there and paralyze you. New Pokemon paralyzed like within like the first turn. Oh, what? I'm fully paralyzed. My God! Freaking hate paralyzation. Never freaking works. You can't say it's immune to hypnosis. Because if you do, I'm gonna be ticked off. See, if you're having trouble You in for a long fight. They're gonna try to split the job up. Wanna save. And I don't know which Dragonair this is. Ah! Roll-out combo! I'm gonna get this going. Oh! Don't you dare paralyze me. This is what you want to go down. I mean, if you're bringing it... Oh, no! No! Oh, it's paralyzing me. I bet you it's going to re-paralyze me. Now it's time to put on a potion. If you can... My goal is to get real... Just monstrous amounts of fucking combos. If I could get a rollout combo with 5, I'll be able to knock this thing into death. Oh, God. The big bad Kingdra is next. Dragon and water. Hit this thing hard. It's my only best. To me, it would be the best thing to do. We got a decent hit on it. It's gonna try to lower your accuracy. I missed! Because it's a dick. Whoa! Adam! No. Oh, free hit! Free turn! You get a free turn off of this one. Oh! Taking it down for the count! Yeah! Woo! Oh, yeah! That was sweet. Woo! That was awesome. So basically now we should be able to win from this point. Yeah, and all 4 of my Pokemon became paralyzed. Oh, Ice Beam. This is the 3rd and most powerful. I know it. Don't know how, but I just know which one it is. I'm pretty... Looking to heal the Destroyer. I mean, before the Elite Four, we're gonna have to do some major training, actually. Pack, Paper Potion, Destroy. Woohoo! I most likely will do that after game, it just depends. All depends on what happens. Damn. I know what the goal is here. Going with rollout. Look at the power. One more. Just one more. Don't miss. Please. Don't. Don't. So it's gonna be. Yo! Screw you! Dragon, screw you! I win. Now give me my 8th badge. I lost? I don't believe it. There must be some mistake. Seriously. I won't admit this. I may have lost, but you're still not ready for the Pokemon League. I know you should take the Dragon User Challenge. Beyond this gym, there's a place called Dragon's Den. Go there and bring me the Dragon Fang from deep inside the den. That is the test to be accepted as a true Dragon user. If you can do that, I'll accept you as a worthy trainer. So then I won't give you a badge. Really? You're just dead. Before we do that, we gotta heal. Wow. All 8 gyms are done. They're gone. Peace. They're gone. When I'm going here with Silver, I'll be done by the end of summer. Oh yeah, we need Whirlpool. Somewhere over here. Magikarp! Really? There is a badge. Team 24. What does it contain? Dragon breath. No, it doesn't have anything to do with my breath. I'm pretty sure there's a Dratini thing. I'm almost sure, unless that's just Heart Gold and Soul Silver being a jerk. No, you have to go around, don't you? Because if that's just a random piece of island, that's just a blank piece of shit. I'm gonna kick off. Boom, 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 boom. Where's got us? Braid of repeal. A beautiful secret. Oh, magic. The next time we're gonna be going